Let's see if we can get the Wi-Fi password of this Android phone. This is not a hack, it only works for passwords that have been entered before. I'm Lars from the channel it-zeugs.de. Let's get started. There's one possibility to do this. You can go to the settings, then go to Wi-Fi, then go to the Wi-Fi connection, then go to this symbol here, then go to QR code, and now you can make a screenshot. To take a screenshot, press on the left side the button for the quieter, and on the right side this one. It makes a sound like this, and now the screenshot is saved. Now let's go to the browser. I'm already here, webqr.com. The website is in scanner mode. You can switch to this symbol here, choose file, choose files, and take the last screenshot. And now you see the password here. The SID is polar bear and the password is RRSBBBZ. Thanks for watching. I appreciate comments and don't forget to subscribe. We see you next time.